Another question. Which one of the following is most acidic? So we have four options, 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you mean by which one of the following is most acidic? The tendency for it to give the proton when treated with the base should be more. So which one of the following when treated with a base, the acidic hydrogen proton is readily lost and give a base conjugate. The more the stability for the base conjugate, the more readily the corresponding acid becomes strongly acidic. So the basic point involved in answering this question is the base conjugate of which one of these four options given is more stable. And since the base conjugate is more stable, the corresponding acid becomes more acidic. So we need to check the base conjugate of 1, 2, 3, 4, which one is more stable. And by observation, when we look at B, what will be the base conjugate of B? As we see, base conjugate of this option 2 is what? So when we treat this with a base, the acidic hydrogen either from here or from here in the form of proton is lost and give a base conjugate. And this negative charge is in conjugation with this pi electrons and these pi electrons also. Further, when this negative charge is shifted like this, and this pi electrons will move on to this carbon, giving what? And here is the negative charge. And if you observe this part, it is a cyclopentadienyl carbanion. And this cyclopentadienyl carbanion is the one which obeys Haeckel's rule. That is, will have 4n plus 2 number of pi electrons and thereby is aromatic in nature. So this cyclopentadienyl carbanion, as it is obeying the 4n plus 2 number of pi electrons, that is Haeckel's rule, it is aromatic in nature and thereby is more stable and hence is readily formed at the loss of proton. Thereby we find this option 2 can readily lose the proton and develop an aromatic character to remain stable and hence is more acidic. Therefore option 2 is right. In a similar way, if you want to verify, you can remove the hydrogen from different positions and check whether aromatic character, which will be more responsible for stability, will be formed or not. So the answer is B.